Hi guys, we are here again, and this time we just came to this new Danish architecture design which is open for public already, and it's called MARSK TOWER, and it looks like a human DNA. First of all, when you buy the ticket you need to scan this QR code and it's open. So let's walk up. Very windy today, so you will hear the sound as the wind blows through the stairs and the railings, so you will be surprised. Freaking windy over here, freaking windy, freaking windy, freaking windy. Rising 25 meters above the ground, and it's made out of condensed steel, which is pretty solid. Boy, gets rusty, but it's nice.